Show blues, cool. Put yourself in my shoes. You be being I'm you. You like to play hide and seek. I can't wait to find you. Diamonds on me, blind you. Rolling on them kites. I look good in every angle, so you don't like me beside you. Selling bitches free life, bitch. That's a haiku. You the hood roller coaster, niggas like to ride. How you hating in the daytime? Go get you some money and stop worrying about how I write. Bass hit heavy and I hit it every damn time. You know my block list poppin'. You ain't gon' do shit, little boy. Just stop it. Don't call my phone if you talking that nonsense. He wanna call me, but my block list.
Wig is off, wig is snatched, wig is back. Hey girls, welcome back to another video. So I'm coming to you guys looking like I just got my wig snatched from the devil himself. But welcome back to another video. So this is another wig slay. Today, as you see my girl Sharon in the back, she is serving you blonde goddess. Today's a new video and I'm so glad to be back, guys. Y'all don't even know the struggle I was going through, but I'm back with another wig video and I'm so excited to show you guys more content. And yeah girl, I'm back on my consistent YouTube grind, okay? I'm back. So today's video is by Wigs and they sent me this beautiful wig, Sharon in the back. You're just gonna put her on and slay. But for further ado, make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, girl, because I'm the hair plug. I will send you all the bomb wigs for the low. So for further ado, let's get on with this video. Show you guys how she looks like straight out of the box. I didn't put her on whatsoever. I didn't do nothing. So this is how the wig is in the inside. This is the parting. As you see, you don't really get that much parting. Get like, it says you get like 2.5 inches of parting. Inside you get this you get the tag. It says Wigs right there. You have adjustable straps and they do have one comb, have 2 combs in the side, but they don't have a comb in the nape area, which is kind of like, oh my god, because girl, I need a comb for the back of my head. I don't have my my natural hair braided under here because I was wearing my natural hair out for a few. See, I wish it had a comb in the nape area because it makes the wig like lay so much better. But I'm just brushing it out. So far the hair texture doesn't feel natural. It feels like a synthetic wig. I'm gonna apply the combs to the side. Ooh, where the comb at? The comb is right over here, right over here. I'm gonna be taking my Cara Care edge stick. Basically this like lays down all the flyaways on the wig and make sure the top of the hair lays really flat. So I'm just applying that. I'm applying this wig the glueless way, so I won't be like gluing this down. And I'm gonna take some Lotta Body mousse. As y'all see, this mousse is good. This mousse is popping, and oh, my lip gloss is dripping. So yeah, this mousse is real good and I suggest this one. So I'm gonna use some mousse and, you know, smooth down the top of your hair because you don't want no bumpy wig. I hate bumpy wigs at the top. See, so far that laid down the hair pretty flat already, and now we looking a little bit sister basic and we need to do some baby hairs. So where's my comb, guys? Hold up before we even go. So this wig company is like the best because they sent me like a whole pack of good stuff. So when you order this wig, you will get all this good stuff. I was like, before we even do the baby hairs, let me show y'all what y'all get with y'all order. We'll get this comb. This comb is very good quality. It's like a light pink comb. And yes, ooh, match my shirt too. So you will get some flexi rods, and we're actually gonna try this out today because the curls are kind of everywhere and I just want to make sure the curls look popping. So we definitely gonna be using these flexi rods in this video. Pink, my favorite color. And then they give you this this band. You can make like a bun, you can make a ponytail with it. It's like very versatile and very unique. They gave me a bonnet. Oh, let me show you. So they also gave me a bonnet, which is really cool. It's like a cheetah bonnet, and the elastic is very, oh, this is inside out. So yeah, it's like a cheetah bonnet, and the elastic is very good. It's very stretchy. They give you a wig cap, which is so good. Like, these are the good wig caps. These are the new wig caps. Most companies, they just send you the black ones. It's like, girl, what am I gonna do with that? Nobody use that. But the beige wig caps, these are very good. And they give you some beads. Girl, they give you some beads, some jewels for your hair. So these are very cute. They like African inspired. They are very nice. These are very nice. You could do a lot with these. And I don't see these in beauty supply stores, so this is really good. And they give elastic band. Yeah, that's probably why it wasn't a comb, because they actually give you the option for elastic band. So let me open this. They give you elastic band, and elastic band also has a, is this the clip connected? Oh no, they also give you a comb. So if you want to sew a comb in the back of the wig, they'll give you these two clips, which we about to use right now to do these baby hairs. And these clips are very good. Like, guys, they give you so, that was a lot of stuff. Company, you know, that give you all of that stuff. They usually just give you some cheap plastic eyelashes, and you know, they go about their day. But that was really nice. This company gives you a lot of good stuff. And so I'm just gonna use these clips to pull back the hair. That's crazy. I really needed these clips. Actually use a toothbrush for this. This ain't no toothbrush for my teeth. I got it from Dollar Tree. I don't know, I feel like the edge toothbrush doesn't really do any justice. Like, we gotta go back to the old days and use a regular brush. These flex rods, how many did they give us? They give us about 1, 2, 3, 4. They give us about 5. So y'all see how these curls are kind of like everywhere. I do like that they have layers. The layers make it look very natural, but I'm not liking, you know, the curls that's just everywhere in every direction. I'm gonna try to like solve this with some flexi rods. So I want the curls to be more like going away from my face. This is extra curly. I'ma just probably, let's just do the ends, because the ends is mostly the problem. We just want the end, we just want to fix the ends so the curls won't be all over the place. Let me just grab that, and you see how this is going that way. This curl, we're gonna take it and just, you know, put in direction where we want to go, and then clip it. So you should look like this, and I'm just gonna wait. Woo! It's still a little ooky at the end. I could have left it on for longer, but other than that, the flexi rods actually controlled the hair pretty well. The human hair blend wig, it states that it's half hand tied, and you can straighten or curl this hair up to 160 degrees. The hair texture, it really didn't like wow me, because the hair texture kind of felt fake. It kind of felt kind of synthetic-y. It just feels kind of plasticky. I wish it had like more of a yucky hair texture. Show you guys the wig on this side. So when I got this wig, I was like, the color's a little bit off, but it do states on the website that there is a little color difference, you know, from the lightning or whatever. Looking for more to the roots being much darker. As you see in the back, all the way to the back, the roots gets really dark. It's kind of like orangey. I don't like that. I don't understand that. It should be the same color as to right here. Y'all see what I'm talking about right here. I love that this wig was ash blonde. I cannot take the yellow blonde hair. I cannot do it, guys. This is actually kind of like my first time wearing ash blonde hair, and I love it. I love this. I love this right here. I love this hair, and it's so cute. It's so natural. So this is melanin skin approved, okay? If you are afraid of, you know, blonde hair, this is the wig for you. Like, it could have did much better on the hairline. The lace is like, it's not undetectable. You can see the lace. Like, if you zoom in more, you can see the lace, because the lace is like it's like that fake kind of lace. It's like a beigeish kind of white. The lace kind of like white, like sand kind of color, and I don't like that. Of course you put your powder and stuff, but I don't like that. I just wish the lace had some type of color to it. Make the hair lace so flat and so natural, you literally cannot tell. Just do some baby hairs in the front. I would suggest baby hairs, just a 1-2 swoop. 1-2 swoop. That's all you need. You don't need no crazy baby hairs, and you don't want it to look unnatural real fast, okay? Don't OD on the baby hairs with blonde hair, because it could look real bad real fast. So as far as tangling or shedding with this hair, the hair actually doesn't shed that much. It do have some flyaways. Like the flyaways are kind of crazy with this wig. You guys can use mousse, you can use mousse, you can use the edge stick to tame those flyaways. Flyaways, you go. Get 2.5 inches of parting. Yeah, don't like that. Wish the parting was much more better. Come on, Wigs, you gotta make the parting much more better. But it actually looks like the parting actually can extend a little further if you pluck it. It looks so good. I love this color. See a lot of human hair blend and synthetic wigs that can pull off this good color. The color is good. As I said, the roots, it just needs some fixing. So if you want to save money on this wig, make sure you use the coupon code ANNADOLLAR at checkout and get $5 off, honey. Hey, $5 is better than no dollars, all right? For this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't be afraid, girl, to comment down below what other videos you want to see, other colors I should do. I'm thinking about doing a green, a pink, a yellow. I'm not sure. Got a new ring light, guys, so listen, this ring light is very powerful, and I have it on the lowest setting, so if I put it any brighter, I'm gonna be looking like Flashback Mary. But yeah, I love you guys all so much, and thank you for all the support. And we at 16K subs. Like, oh my god, like 16K subs. Let's get to 20K. My birthday May 19th. Y'all better remember, let's get to 20K before then. But thank you dolls for everybody who supported, everybody who just participate and just literally enjoy watching my videos. I love y'all, and you're gonna see more of me, okay? Love you dolls all so much. Have a good day and slay until you take somebody back.